In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall Clipchamp. Alright, first you're going to want to make sure that you close the app. And once that's done, go ahead over to your search bar and type in add or remove programs. Alright, once you see the system setting right here, just go ahead and click on it. Once done, you can go ahead and navigate to these items right here and locate Clipchamp right here, or you can just go ahead and use the search function right here and type in Clipchamp. Alright, once done, as you can see, Clipchamp is listed. To uninstall it, just go ahead over to the three dots right here and click on more options. Alright, and as you can see here, uninstall is available. Just go ahead and click on it to uninstall the app. There will be a prompt. This app and its related info will be uninstalled as well. Just go ahead and click on uninstall and wait for the process to finish. Alright, sometimes it may seem stuck to uninstalling. You can just go ahead and close this one right here and research Clipchamp again, and you won't be able to see it anywhere. Alright, when we go back to our search bar right here and look for Clipchamp. Alright, as you can see, this is not the app that is installed on your computer. This is rather a web browser version. When you click on it, as you can see, a web version will pop up. Alright, just go ahead and close this one. Now, if you want to make sure that Clipchamp is not in your computer, go ahead over to Microsoft Store. Right here, click on it. And in the search bar, type in Clipchamp. Alright, as you can see here, it now says install instead of open. And that's basically how you uninstall Clipchamp from your computer. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.